Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites so nothing blocks progress. Check level, required items, and the spawn window immediately. Once done, gather the 3 keys or 50 currency and cue the quest trigger so you can attempt to spawn. Make sure to position yourself in the safe zone coordinates before the timer hits 0. This reduces interruptions and increases success rate. You'll want a partner if the encounter scales with players, because teamwork speeds execution and secures rewards faster. You now run the core sequence. Activate the altar or use the summon item precisely when the spawn window opens, because mistimed attempts often fail. Once the entity appears, position yourself 10 to 15 meters away and avoid known achthy zones to preserve mobility. Make sure to apply a stun or control at the 10-second mark and interrupt healing around 30 seconds. This creates a vulnerability window for burst damage. Also, track its behavior, patterns repeat, and adapting cuts the encounter. You finish by executing the high damage phase once the target shows vulnerability, then switch to capture or salvage actions to secure the Gleaming roaming reward. Timing here seals success. Once defeated, immediately verify your inventory or mailbox so item transfer issues are noticed early. If the spawn fails or loot doesn't appear, reset the timer, review triggers and positioning, and replicate the exact sequence. Most failures stem from one missed activation or being out of the safe zone, so correct that first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.